Anneli from Swedish Made Easy here. Today we are going to talk about pronunciation, and we're going to talk specifically about the letter A. And today I have my little A necklace on. I don't have all the letters of the alphabet on a necklace. This was just a gift because it's the letter of my first name. Anyway, yes, we're going to talk about the letter A in Swedish. We're going to talk about how to pronounce it, the long and the short sounds. So get your notepad out and your pen ready. So shall we? The letter A in Swedish comes at the beginning of the alphabet. We pronounce it in two different ways. We have a long version and a short version. And the long version, which we'll start with, is the version that we use, for example, if we just say the letter A, like if we just work through the alphabet and we start with saying the letter A, that's the long version. The long version in Swedish sounds like this. A. A. It's just very long, kind of, you sort of drop your jaw. A. This letter also, or the sound, the long sound, also comes in certain words, such as the word for food, mat, mat. Now the word for street, gata, gata. The first A there is long. And the word for a glass that you drink out of, glass, glass. A. The short A is much happier, much happier. You almost smile when you say it. It sounds like this. Ah. It's very short and snappy. Ah. This short version comes in certain words. It's often if you have the A and then you have double consonant after. So for example, the word for coffee, which is spelled K-A-F-F-E, the double F there makes the A short. So in Swedish we would say kaffe, kaffe, kaffe. Also, for example, the word for ice cream, which is glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass, glass, glass. So it's the same short A there. So we have it. It's the long A, and the short one, smiley, Okay, that is all for today. See you next time. Hej då!